Good morning student, myself Vidya Patil. Today I am going to teach you 7th standard chapter integer. Okay, so before you that see your video very carefully and write down all the points and all the examples very carefully, okay, in your notebook. Now before we going to start our introduction, last year you had seen that what are the whole numbers and what are the natural numbers. Okay, so natural numbers means what is that? It is a counting numbers, means it is a numerical and which is the starting from 1 2 3 4 up to so on. This is called a natural number, and which is called as a whole numbers, means it is including only 0. So whole numbers are starting from the 0 1 2 3 up to so on. It is known as whole numbers. Now what is that? Integers. So integers किसको बोलते हैं? So the numbers system consisting natural numbers, their negatives and the number 0 is called the integer. That means 0 1 2 3 4 dot 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 up to infinity, and -1 -2 -3 dot 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 minus infinity. These numbers are called as integers. Okay, so see on this side, right hand side, all the numbers are known as positive integers. That means 1 2 3 4 up to so on infinity, it is known as the positive integers, and the left hand side numbers are known as the negative integers, means -1 -2 -3 up to so on. But student, keep in mind very clearly that 0 is neither negative nor positive. So 0 is neither negative nor positive, it is only integer. Now see you student, suppose it is like that 6.8, 2.7, 3.9 and 5 by 7, 6 by 8, root 2, root 3, root 4. These are the not integers. See 6.8, 2.7, 3.8, 3.9, these are the decimals. These are the decimals. 5 by 7, 6 by 8, these are the fractions, and root 3 and root 4 are rational numbers. They can be plotted in the number line, but they are not the integers. So see here, in the number line 0 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay, so 0 is neither negative nor positive. 1 2 3 4 5, they are the positive integer. Now what is the next point is our that the absolute value of an integer. So when we say that the integer is an absolute value, so if the numbers they are writing in the two vertical bar, okay, it is denoted by two vertical bar. So if it is +7, so how we have to write? Is equal to 7. And if it is like that way -7, then when it come out from bar notation, so it come only 7. Means absolute value of an integer means we have to write down its numerical. That means it is the regardless of sign. It is not affected by the minus sign. So we have to write down what is only the 7 plus 7 is equal to 7, and under mode -7 is equal to also 7. So absolute value is either positive or 0. It never be negative. It never be negative. It never be negative. Now next point is our that the order of the integers. Ordering of integers. Ordering of integers means if a number it arises on the right side of this number. If a number is arise on the right side, it is the bigger number. Means see, 1 is less than 2. 1 is less than 2. So 2 is arises where? Right side of the 1. So 2 is bigger. So 2 is bigger. And similarly, C, minus 1 is less than 0. Minus 1 less than 0 means 0 is arises right side of the minus 1. So 0 is greater. That means what we have to keep in mind, when we move, the right side numbers are always greater than the left one. So 0 is what is always less than the positive integer, but it is greater than the negative integer. So keep in mind very clearly. Once again I will repeat, 0 is less than the positive integer, but it is greater than the negative integer, and every positive integer is greater than the every negative integer. Okay, and 1 is the what is that? The smallest positive integer, and minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Okay, I hope you understood. Now our next point is what is that? See you. The addition and subtraction of integer. So how we have to do the addition and subtraction of two integer. Okay, there are the two rules how we have to do the addition and subtraction of the two integer. Suppose if the two numbers, if the two integers are of the same type, means if the two integers are positive, the two integers are both are positive or both are negative, means it is a same type. So in that case what we have to do? We have to do always addition. What we have to do? Always addition and give the respective sign or common sign. So here plus and another one is plus, means both integers are plus, then in that case we have to do addition, and if both the sign are negative, means both are the negative integer, in that case only we have to do the addition and give the common sign which is there here, minus. Suppose for example plus 2 plus 3. Okay, these are the two positive integer. Okay, plus 2 and plus 3, these are the two positive integer. In that case what we have to do? We have to do the addition. So addition is coming 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and assign them common sign. Common sign is which is plus. So answer is coming plus 5. Similarly, if it is plus 6 plus 7. So both are, again here it is positive integer. So same we have to do. First what we have to do? Do the addition. 6 plus 7, it is how much coming? 13, and we have to assign the plus sign. Okay. Next is what is that? If both are negative. If both are negative. Minus 2 and minus 1. So what we have to do? Again here we have to do is addition. Addition is coming 2 plus 1, 3, and give the respective signs, means common signs, which is equal to minus 3. Again suppose minus 4 and minus 5, both are the same signs, means both are the negative integers. So in that case also we have to do is addition. So it is coming minus 4 minus 5, addition is coming 9, and give the respective sign which is equal to minus. Okay, this is for the when the two integers having the same sign. So what about the if the integers having different sign? see here, that means if it is one positive and one negative, or first one is negative and second one is positive, in that case we have to do the subtraction. What we have to do in that case? We have to do the subtraction and give the sign of bigger number, which is the greatest number, that numbers, and we have to give answers. Okay, so here it is coming, we have to do what is subtraction. We have to do subtraction and give the sign of bigger number. Give the sign of bigger number. So for example, see here, if it is plus 3 and minus 4. What is example? Plus 3 and minus 4. So both are the different sign of integers. One means what is plus it is and minus it is. So in that case what we have to do? We have to do always subtraction. So subtraction is what is going to come? Subtraction is coming. Subtraction is minus plus 3 minus 4. So it is coming 1. Subtraction is coming what is 1, and give the sign of bigger number, which is the bigger. Answer is coming minus 1. So see the again next one example. If it is minus 5 and plus 7. So both are again it is the positive and negative integer. So we have to do here subtraction. So subtraction is coming 2 and give the sign of bigger number. So which is here bigger number? 7. So it is coming plus 2. Okay. So again see one example is here it is. If it is minus 6 and plus 3. So again here it is both are the opposite sign of integers. So we have to do here subtraction. Subtraction is coming 3 and give the sign of bigger number. So bigger number is 6 here. So answer is coming minus 3. So I hope student you understood it. So you solve the exercise 1.1. The questions are B1, B2, B3, B4, B5.